Hello lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Kartika and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare. So if that's your cup of tea, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join my community. So today's video is going to be a mini skincare and makeup haul featuring some amazing products that I picked up from beauty tools, skincare must-haves and makeup treats. There's a little something for everyone. So without further ado, let's just jump right in. So the first product that I invested in is this Beili professional makeup brush kit. It's 30 number and I really wanted to elevate my makeup game because just 5 to 6 brushes in a vanity is not enough, and I really wanted to experiment with newer makeup looks for you all. So I thought, why not I invest in some affordable makeup brush kit, because I didn't want to right now invest in high-end makeup brushes. So I thought I will buy this makeup brush kit from Amazon, and it's around 1800 rupees. I guess I'll mention all the price of the products that I'm mentioning to you all down somewhere. So these are the brushes. Okay, they are so nice. I mean, they are a mix of face brushes and eye brushes. Whatever you name, everything is in it, from stippling brush to blending brush to contour brushes, powder brush, whatever you want, everything is in it. So the bristles are synthetic as well as natural, and they are ultra soft, hypoallergenic and great for sensitive skin. So I'm really excited to use these brushes. I have not used them till now. They're still in the packaging, pretty intact. And one thing, I saw one of the brushes, they don't mention the names of the brushes on the makeup brush, which is a little bummer for me, but still I definitely believe these brushes are good, and I'll be reviewing the products which I'm mentioning soon in my upcoming video. So please stay tuned for that. So these are the brushes. So the next product that I invested in is this Plum E-Luminance Simple Supple Cleansing Balm. So this is how the product looks like. It comes in a tub, so it's very travel friendly, and this retails for 545 rupee for 90-gram pack, and it comes with a scoop like this, so you don't contaminate the product by continuously using your fingers. Also, it consists of 8 plant oils, vitamin E, and it effectively removes dirt, impurities and makeup from your skin. That's what the product claims to be, leaving your skin soft and supple. So just you take a little bit amount in your fingers, rub it really well and massage your face gently so that all the makeup comes out. So I'm really excited to include this in my nighttime routine and see how it works for me, because I have earlier used cleansing oils but that broke me out like anything. So I thought to try cleansing balms this time. So let's see how it works for me. The next product that I bought is this Plum Think Derma Alpha Arbutin 2% and Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum. This is how the product looks like. This is how the packaging looks like. It comes in a sleek glass bottle with a dropper kind of an application, and it's a watery kind of consistency product, and it aims to reduce your dark spots, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, and also provide deep hydration. So basically, alpha arbutin has skin brightening properties, and clubbed with hyaluronic acid, it keeps your skin plump and moisturized. So it's amazing. And I bought the 10 ml product because I don't tend to use skincare products that much. I don't experiment with them. I only use the products that my dermatologist recommends to me. So this is completely new for me and I'm excited to use this product. So yeah, this is my purchase. So the next product is this Loveco Black Rose and Oudh Body Butter. And it's like, I opened the packaging. It's an intoxicating blend of black rose and oud, and its texture is so creamy and it deeply nourishes and hydrates your skin, keeping dryness at bay. And what tempted me to buy this scent from Amazon is that when I was in Dubai, I went to a Bath and Body store and bought this dark velvet oud, body mist, and from that time I got addicted to that scent and I wanted a body butter in that variant, but sadly I didn't buy from the Bath and Body section, so I thought of investing something more affordable, and this is amazing. It smells so divine. So the next product that I grabbed is this Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner Kit. It consists of 12 lip liners, and I got this in like this packaging only. There was no outer packaging. So it comes in this metal tin box, and these are the lip liners. So cool. It's so affordable. I'll mention the price here somewhere. And it consists of reds, nudes, browns, orange, magenta, maroon, whatever shade you need to experiment with your lip looks, and perfect for any lipstick that you would choose. And I would like to swatch one of them. Like, this is the Bold Matte Lip Liner in Royal Red, and see, it's just a one swipe application. It's so creamy, pigmented, and let's see, I will review these products. Like, I'll swatch each and every lip liner in my further videos and see how good they perform on my lips. But till then, please be satisfied with this swatch. So yeah, this was the next product. So the next product that I bought is this Lakme 9 to 5 Skin Stylist Collection Lumi Lit Cream in the shade Dewy Rose. So this is how the product looks like. So it's basically a highlighter in a moisturizer which gives you a 3D glow instantly. You can use it as a moisturizer just to give that everyday glow, or for the luminous glowy kind of a makeup look which is trending nowadays. You can mix it with your foundation or use it as a primer before applying the foundation, or for that extra highlight you can use it on your cheekbones to give that glow. So this is how the product looks like, and it's a nice looking product. Like, it gives a good sheen, as you can see. So I'm excited to use this in my makeup further. So the next product that I bought is this Plum Bulgarian Valley Rosewater Toner. So this is how the product looks like. It comes in this 100 ml bottle, and it has a spray kind of application. And it consists of rose extracts from the Rose Valley in Bulgaria, witch hazel and hyaluronic acid. So it consists of all the goodies to hydrate, rejuvenate and tighten your pores. And you just need to spritz it on your freshly cleansed face and gently dab it for all the goodness to go in. And it does not consist any synthetic fragrances or essential oils, and it's 100% vegan, no animal ingredients, no harmful chemicals, and it's a great addition to my skincare routine, and I'm excited to use this toner. So the next product is this Stony Moly Pureness 100 Collagen Mask Sheet. So it's a sheet mask which is infused with collagen to improve your skin's elasticity and hydrate your skin, and it's made up of 100% pure cotton. So you just need to cleanse your face, apply the sheet mask for 20 to 30 minutes and remove it for the instant glow. So I'm really excited to include this in my pamper routine. So next product that I picked up is this Mars Candylicious Lip Glosses. These products were really trending, and I was so excited for my Indian trip to pick these products because they were like all over my Instagram feed. So I had to try them. So I bought this in 3 variants. That is, one is Fuji Gum, Tutti Frutti and Choco Pie. So this ranges from pinks, mauves, browns, perfect for any mood. So this Fuji Gum I will swatch for you. So this is how the lip gloss looks like. Pretty cool, right? And it's non-sticky, hydrating, very shiny, not so pigmented I can say, but really good, right? And it smells so delicious, like some nice bubble gum, right? So really happy to have got these products. So now we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have tried any of these products, please let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification button to not miss an update from me. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful. Take care. Bye.